Quant is about to make a massive move, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another quant analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see on quant, we tested that 154 level perfectly. We got that 3-test confirmation, and now we are currently in a breakout stage. Ideally, what's next for quant is we want to see a move possibly to retest around that 175. This is looking extremely bullish on the 4-hour. We just have to be very, very careful about some manipulation. Of course, it is the weekend, so I wouldn't expect much liquidity to happen, but you want to be very, very careful about this specific resistance level which we are currently testing. Ideally, this is now the 4th test confirmation, so we should see a breakout formation. But if we see this fake out situation right over here, you can see that we tested this level multiple times and actually failed to break above, and then we had that confirmation to the downside. So we have to be very, very careful about possible wick to the downside, breaking that support level. Of course, from the bullish case scenario, if we do continue breaking above at 175 and you actually use this as support, short term, that's going to be extremely bullish for quant, and we can start to look for a possible level around the 187. Zooming out on the chart here, there is something to know, of course, is the fact that we are still in this downward trend line. I can go ahead and show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. But when you are trading with this sort of formation, and you have to keep in mind about these wicks. So right now, we do have a possible breakout formation happening right now on quant. You can see on the 4-hour, but we have to wait for the 4-hour candle to close. We don't want to deal with the same situation like we saw over here, where we saw that candle breakout formation, a rejection, and then the continuation. I have seen many, many times where we actually do get a small break above and then a bearish engulfing candle breaking right back below, and a lot of traders get very confused by why exactly it happened. What you want to be waiting for is, of course, is a strong breakout formation, or you want to be watching the volume. If you do see that breakout formation and you start to see the volume come in, that would be a confirmation of a breakout. You can possibly either enter as you are going up, or if you are a more conservative trader, you can obviously wait until you see a pullback, retest that trend line, and then that confirmation. But as of right now, though, guys, the next level for quant will still definitely be looking like the 175. I'm just letting you guys know that you want to be very, very careful at this level, because of the fact that you can see previously we used this level as support, right? We saw multiple candlesticks trying to use this level as support, so we can expect the same thing and see the same level you act as a resistance point for quant overall. Now, if we go over here on the hourly time frames, you can kind of see that our trend line play out a little bit better. This was a very clean short from obviously all the way up here at 176. You can see a nice move to the downside, got that retest confirmation, a slow bleed pattern. As of right now, this does look like we will be breaking out. I'll go ahead and delete this yellow line for you guys so you can see a little bit better. You can see that we do have a nice breakout formation on the hourly. We did retest this trend line as support, and it looks like we have that continuation pattern. But again, you want to be very, very careful, right? Ideally, these exponential moving averages should be acting as a support zone for quant. But overall, right now, what I would like to see on the hourly is, again, that retest confirmation, 2 or 3 more wicks, and then the move to the upside. If we do just have a straight move to the upside, guys, this is something to keep in mind for quant overall on the 4-hour. If we continue just rising with no sort of pullback, this would start to look like a BART formation, and you want to be very careful about that. Usually BART formations happen on weekends because of the lack of liquidity, and then Monday morning you see a massive move to the downside. So just keep that in mind when you are trading, of course, with weekend volume. You just want to be very, very careful and make sure you don't actually enter a position too soon. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have